have a 2018 Ford Custom Limited with only 56,000 miles. This has only had one company owner from new. Also comes with a fresh wet belt kit done, major service and 12 months MOT. This model is a top spec with rear parking sensors, tow bar, alloy wheels, cruise control, auto lights and so on. The list goes on. As you can see, nice and clean in the back. Into the interior, also nice and clean. No rips, no tears. This has got the colour-coded bumpers, colour-coded wing mirrors. As I say, this is a top spec model. Into the front. Once again, no rips and tears, nice and clean. Represents the mileage at only 56,000. This has the aircon, heated screen, all the little extras that come with it. All the power is there. This van is ready to go. It will come with our standard 3-month warranty and can be delivered nationwide. If you have any inquiries or need any finance sorting, give us a call or a message. We'll be happy to help.